Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're going to talk a little bit about one-man doctoring. Now I can't show you too much on this dummy, but I can show you a couple of different things. One thing that you need to be very aware of is all the different kinds of trips that you can set when you're doctoring alone. So if we get the calf rope, when we're talking about one-man doctoring, that is hands down the easiest part. So once we get it roped, we have an onside trip, okay, which is going to be here. Right? Meaning it's on the right-hand side of my horse and I'm right-handed, and all I'm gonna do is ride to the front of that calf's drive line and I'm gonna let him come back across the rope and then I'll have his feet caught. Additionally, we have the offside trip. That's gonna be if it's on the left-hand side of my horse, like this, right? And then I would ride in front of the drive line. The calf's gonna step across the rope. My horse is gonna disengage and turn around on the forehand, and I'm gonna have the calf's back feet as well. Okay, so these are all, both of these options are viable. You just need to know what your horse needs to do for those. One thing I did practice on the dummy quite a bit when I was first getting started doing this is my slack flip, okay? So being able to flip that slack over the calf's hip and catch it high on the calf's hock, okay? Or up the calf's leg. You don't want it down there like this, because when it trips, when that calf makes its turn and trips, you're gonna lose a toe. So you wanna be able to throw it and then catch it right on the middle of that calf's leg. And you want to be able to do that from both sides. So even if I'm over here on the off side, I wanna be able to catch it, throw it and catch it over here as well, okay? And you can practice this from all different kinds of angles. So if the calf stops right there, I wanna be able to pitch that out there and catch it on the back of that calf's leg, okay? Additionally, you want to be able to do that from both sides. And this is to avoid this. So let's say if I get nose to nose with this sucker and I stop that calf, right? If I'm not good at side passing my horse around and making a flip around to his rear end, okay? If I'm not good at doing that right there, okay? So now all I got to do is ride this way and step them over, okay? But if I can't do that, if I'm not good at that, now what I have to do is ride a whole freaking circle, because I can't flick my slack. I'm gonna have to expect that calf to stand still, and I gotta ride a whole circle around him in order to head him across that rope. The whole idea is to be able to pitch your slack from wherever you want to and get that rope in the position that it needs to be so that you can save steps for your horse, save steps for the calf, and get them tripped without having to run circles around the calf in the pasture. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.